ISKCON has said Trump saved by Jagannath, Lord Jagannath. Divine intervention saved Trump's life. In 1976, Trump helped New York Rath Yatra. Trump gave train yard to build chariots, is what is being said, essentially by ISKCON. This divine intervention that saved Trump's life. In fact, this is a tweet that has been put out by ISKCON. I'm going to go through the details of that. It's divine intervention. 48 years ago, Donald Trump saved the Jagannath Yatra festival. Today, as the world celebrates the Jagannath Rath Yatra festival again, Trump was attacked and Jagannath returned the favor by saving him, is what is being said by ISKCON. In July 1976, Donald Trump helped ISKCON devotees organize Rath Yatra by providing his train yard for the construction of Raths for free. Today, as the world celebrates the 9th Jagannath Rath Yatra festival, this terrible attack on him and his narrow escape shows Lord Jagannath's intervention. The first chariot procession of the Lord of the Universe, Mahaprabhu Jagannath, kicked off on the streets of New York City in the year 1976 with assistance from the then 30-year-old emerging real estate mogul in United States of America, Donald Trump. Nearly 48 years ago, when the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON, was planning to organize the first Rath Yatra in New York City, challenges were galore. The grant of parade permit at the Fifth Avenue was nothing short of a miracle. Finding a huge empty site where chariots could be built was never going to be easy. They knocked at the doors of every person possible, but in vain. It was then that the former US President Donald Trump emerged as a ray of hope for the Krishna devotees. Being joined by Radha Raman Das, the Vice President and spokesperson of ISKCON, who's in fact put out that tweet detailing on why he believes that this has been Lord Jagannath's intervention. Thank you for your time. Please talk to us a little about the events from the year 1976 that you have detailed on and why you believe that this is divine intervention, sir.
Actually, in 1976, devotees of ISKCON, they were searching for a place to construct 3 chariots. So, although in America, first Rath Yatra was held by ISKCON in 1967, but in New York City, on the 10th anniversary of ISKCON's, we decided to hold a big event in New York, and devotees were searching for a land where we can build these chariots, because we know that in New York the land is very scarce and our temple was not big enough. So we were approaching different businessmen who has properties, but nobody was coming forward to help. Everybody was telling not possible. Then our devotees found that there is a rail yard and the land was very big. So our devotees inquired, and we were told that this belonged to one young businessman, Donald Trump. Then devotees, they went to his office with a prasad and a letter. So his secretary told that he's not in the office, but she told that I don't think Donald Trump will agree to give this land because there is some construction is about to start there. So devotees said, okay, anyway, give this letter and Mahaprasad of Jagannath to Trump. And if there is anything, please let us know. So surprisingly, after 3 days, the secretary, she called and she told that devotee that, a miracle has happened. I never thought that he will give, but Mr. Trump is very happy to give this land for constructing this chariot. So please come to our office and he will give you his signed letter and you can start the work. So that time Donald Trump was just a businessman. Now he was the president of America, and again is fighting the elections. So right now, as you know, all over the world, every like a Rath Yatra festival is going on. ISKCON celebrates Rath Yatra in more than 700 cities all over the world, in more than 150 countries. In Kolkata also, we are celebrating 9 days festival. So in the morning, when I read this news, first thing was that, Donald Trump, he saved Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra in 1976 in New York. And now Jagannath has reverted the favor, and he has saved his life when Jagannath Rath Yatra is going on.
All
So,
right.
of course, if you see the statement of Trump also, he says that it is a God's intervention. So
All right.
everybody is saying that it is God's intervention, because
Okay.
if you closely watch the this video when he's shot, for a millisecond he just turned his head on other side, and the bullet just grazed his ear. In Bhagavad Gita, Bhagwan Krishna says, "Alpasya dharmasya trayato mahato bhayat." If somebody does little seva, or he does, if he tries to do something for dharma will protect him. So we can see, and everybody is, whoever has seen this video, that talking on this point, that this is God's intervention, that on that particular millisecond, his head turned and he was saved.
Well, absolutely. It's nothing short of a miracle. I agree with you, as I'm sure our viewers do. I'm going to thank you for joining in and sharing that beautiful story with us about what happened in the year 1976. Thank you, sir.